So we are flying a drone from MSDC, and we are starting with the connections. And Mr. Rishi, look at here. Yeah, Mr. Rishi, he is a trained person, and he will be connecting all these plugins. Please start, Mr. Rishi. Yeah, this is the connection which is allocated with the battery, and now we are. Yeah, yeah. Now we are setting it to fly. This is MSDC, Manipal Skill Development Center, affiliated to National Skill Development Center. And yeah, Mr. Rishi is a trained person. He's a licensed person actually, because to fly a drone there must be need of a license, and he'll be doing that. So there is a little technical issue, and yeah, he will do it. Okay, we are now ready to fly our drone in our campus ground, and Rishi is taking the lead for driving this one, because he's one of the licensed person. So you can see this drone. If you are interested to join into this MSDC training center, then you can contact us by sending message on my YouTube channel. And we have got 15 drones, and you can take your training. Later on you can proceed for your further certification.